Okay, so setting up in OBS Studio, you're going to want to, sorry about this, okay, so this is going to be overwhelming in itself. The only way I can record in OBS is by using display capture, which is one of this source here, and it captures the whole screen, and it just goes into infinity in OBS for some reason. So just ignore everything from this. Don't know if you can tell what I'm looking at. Maybe I can put a graphic on the screen, so just ignore everything in this box. When you get OBS open, the first thing you want to do is go into File, Settings, and then you're going to want to go to Stream, and then you need to choose the service, which is Twitch. When you click Twitch, there'll be a few drop downs, but when you click Twitch it will ask you to enter, like basically enter a stream key to connect your account. So that stream key can be found in Twitch. So you want to go to top right, you're going to go to create a dashboard, and then on the left side here you want to find settings and then stream, I believe. Now make sure nobody sees this. So the stream key is there at the top. Click copy. Don't let anybody else see this because they'll be able to hack you. So just press the copy button in there, and then you head back over to OBS. Oh, hold on, sorry, got out of it. Head back over to OBS and then enter it back into settings, into stream, and then yeah, where you choose Twitch, where you connect your account, you'll enter that. So that's the first step. That's what you need to do to get connected between OBS and Twitch. The next thing you'll probably want to do is to test the settings, like basically figure out what settings are going to work best for you in terms of output. So there is a way to do that automatically, so you're not having to figure it all out yourself in terms of what kind of graphic settings you need, and like kbps and keyframes and all of that. So you can actually go up to Tools in the top and click Auto Configuration Wizard. That's grayed out for me now because I'm recording, but when you're not recording, when you're just in there normally, click Auto Configuration Wizard. I'll see if I can do it without recording and record a different way. One sec. So it's going to give you a little pop-up screen where optimized for streaming. Recording is secondary, is most likely the one you're going to want to select. If you think you'll do more recording rather than streaming, you might want to choose the second one, which is just for recording and you won't be streaming. Don't worry about the virtual camera at this point. You don't really need it. And then you'll click Next, and that will take you over to this screen, which is basically the video settings. So you just need to set your base canvas resolution. I recommend going with 1920 by 1080 because that is the standard HD setting. FPS either 60 or 30, but prefer 60 when possible. So choose those ones. If those are too high, the wizard will tell you anyway. So click Next, and then that will give you another pop-up, which looks like this. And again, it's just telling you to connect your account if you haven't already, but you should have done that in the previous step anyway. Just make sure the two boxes there are ticked. Don't worry about the bottom box, and then click Next from here. And then it will start thinking about what sort of settings that you will need. It might take a few minutes. It might be stuck on 33% for a while, but just let it go and do its thing, because it will eventually get it sorted for you. And then once it has done its thing, it will give you a list of settings like this, saying these are the best best settings for you. And you can actually click apply settings here, and then it'll just apply them all for you. You don't have to do it yourself. So from here you can cancel as well if you'd rather just do it all yourself, which, you know, once you get a bit more used to the system and used to all the different settings and how they work on your computer, you might want to go ahead and do them all individually yourself. But to get set up and to get started, these are basically your best options. I hope that makes sense.